In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google account to make.com, an awesome tool that simplifies your automation tasks. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate your applications and boost productivity. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to make.com, the platform where you can connect apps and design workflows with ease. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Go ahead and click on Sign In. If you don't yet have an account, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Assuming you've done this before, simply enter your credentials to log in. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Make home screen. This is your dashboard, where all the magic happens. From here, locate and click on New Scenario. Scenarios are the building blocks you'll use to create connections between your apps, such as connecting your Google account. By starting a new scenario, you're taking the first step towards powerful automation. After clicking on New Scenario, you'll need to click on Add. This allows you to begin setting up a new connection or action. In this context, we're focusing on connecting your Google account, specifically your Gmail. In the search bar that appears, type in Gmail. This will bring up Gmail options in the list below. Choose Gmail by clicking on it. Now, having selected Gmail, the next step is to set up the connection. You'll notice an option labeled Connection. Click this option to begin the process of linking your Google account to make.com. Here, you'll likely be prompted to enter your Google credentials to authorize the connection. Make sure you're comfortable providing this access, as it allows make.com to interact with your Gmail on your behalf, according to the tasks you set up. It's important to understand that this connection is secure and follows standard authorization processes. Once you've successfully logged in, you might be asked to allow make.com to access certain features of your Gmail account. It's essential that you review these permissions carefully. Granting access is a necessary part of enabling the platform to perform actions like sending emails or reading incoming messages, which can be integral to your automation scenarios. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've connected your Google account to make.com, opening the door to endless automation possibilities. Whether you're managing email workflows, triggering actions based on incoming mail, or simply streamlining your communication, you've now laid the groundwork for smarter, more efficient work processes. Thanks for following along, and happy automating!